It's that time of year again. Everyone's asking for your vote, and I'm doing the same. But it's not for me per se. I'm not even on the ballot. Well, not yet anyway. Maybe one day, someday soon. This video is for all the parents and grandparents that are dealing with the corruption in the Texas family courts. And I want to drop this video for you people to understand why I want you to vote in your Texas local elections. See, a lot of people think that the election or to vote, the right to vote, all pertains to your presidential election candidates. And that's not correct. We can do a lot of good service if we actually research the candidates that are in our local communities. See, a lot of people think it's just Trump and Kamala going back and forth and who you're going to vote for. But there's so much more to voting. You have senators, you have representatives, you have judges and judges is my main focal point. There's a lot of judges that don't uphold the law. If you know those judges, vote against them, remove them, whether they're Republican or Democrat. And I'm harping on judges, family court judges to be exact, because there's a lot of family court judges that'll go out there that'll tell people that they're all about justice and family, and they're doing the opposite. Unfortunately, there's a lot of lawfare going on. There's a lot of hate going on between both parties, blue and red. It's like the Bloods and the Crips, except it's just people with ties and shiny shoes. I like to find out who the politicians are that are running in my community. I like to find out what their stance is, what their platform is, and what are they going to do going forward. Why going forward? Because I'm a parent now. 20 years ago, I really didn't care about politics because I didn't think it was going to affect me. Now I'm also a grandparent. So in order to shape the future for my kids and my grandkids, I have to make a conscious decision to move this country in the direction in which I want. See, I never vote straight ticket. I always vote for the good Democrats and the good Republicans. There's good and bad on both sides. But if you really want to do good, go out there, town halls, meet with those candidates that are running for local elections, your state reps, your state senators, your commissioners, and ask them, what is your platform? What are you going to do moving forward for us? We're in family court. Some of these judges aren't upholding the law. How do we remove them? Can we replace that judge with a new judge? What about a sheriff? What about a district attorney? All these questions, because right now, you're not going to get any help just hiring a lawyer in family court. You actually got to do the hard part. Start removing the bad apples off that tree. And how do you do it? Through your local elections. I don't care who you're voting for, Trump or Kamala Harris. But I do want you to make a conscious effort in picking the right candidates for the job that are going to help you and your family in y'all's pursuit of happiness moving forward. Just get involved in your local elections and start figuring out who you're going to vote for. Don't vote blue or red, Republican, Democrat. Go in there and make a conscious effort. Do your civic duty, exercise your constitutional right to vote. Let's see if we can make a smaller impact in our local communities instead of trying to go after big government first. Thanks for watching, and I hope you make your vote and voice count.